You're trying to send money to a friend, maybe pay for something online, and suddenly, Wave app pops up. It looks sleek, it promises easy transactions, but there's one burning question: is Wave app free? Great question. Let's dive in. Now, the short answer is, kind of. It's a bit more complicated than that. Wave, like many financial apps, has a core set of features that are absolutely free. You can send money to friends, request payments, check your balance, and even set up savings goals without shelling out a dime. It's like the basic cable package of financial apps. But, just like cable, there's a premium tier. Wave offers additional services that come with a price tag. Think of it as the HBO of financial apps. We're talking about things like overdraft protection, high-interest savings accounts, and even investing options. These features can be super useful, but they do come with a cost. So, how much does it cost? Well, that depends on the service. Overdraft protection typically comes with a fee per overdraft. High-interest savings accounts might have minimum balance requirements or fees for early withdrawals. And investing, of course, involves market fluctuations and potential losses. Now, you might be wondering, why would I pay for these features when there are other free apps out there? That's a valid question. The answer often lies in convenience and additional perks. Some people find the overall user experience of Wave to be worth the extra cost. Plus, features like overdraft protection can save you money in the long run by preventing bounced checks and late fees. But let's talk about the free features for a second. They're actually pretty solid. The peer-to-peer payment system is fast and reliable. The budgeting tools can help you get your finances in order. And the savings goals feature can be a great motivator. So, even if you don't want to pay for the premium services, Wave can still be a valuable tool. One thing to keep in mind is that fee structures can change. Wave, like any business, needs to make money. So, while certain features might be free now, there's no guarantee they will be in the future. It's always a good idea to check the terms and conditions regularly. Also, remember that Wave isn't the only financial app out there. There are plenty of other options, both free and paid, that offer similar services. It's important to shop around and compare features, fees, and user reviews before making a decision. So, is Wave app free? It depends on what you want to do with it. The core features are free, but additional services come with a price. It's up to you to decide if the benefits outweigh the costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.